That is my van. This is Dad's truck. And check out the size of that icicle coming off our eaves trough. Holy moly. There's a little one forming right there, but that's a big icicle. Holy moly. And it's still snowing. I had to put my windshield wipers up so that way the snow wouldn't freeze them down.
Yeah, I forgot to put mine up.
Wah, wah, wah. Dad forgot to put his up. Look at these snow drifts. We got about what, 5 inches?
We got 6.5 inches.
6.5?
Yep.
I'll take you out to the end of the driveway here, guys. Whoa, this is deep. Holy shit. Woo-wee. You can see Dad's footprints. Oh, boy. And it's still falling. Whew. Well, Dad says the county trucks have been through here, so... Holy cow. Well, it's about time we started getting some winter around here. It was our turn. Looks like someone buried their truck in the ditch on Rockles Road.
Yeah.
Oh boy, that's not good.
Probably got fucking drunk last night.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
That's not good.
I should go down there. I should go back down there and see. You know what?
Yeah, because look at the tracks.
Yeah.
Look at the tracks over there.
Oh, he might have done that last night coming out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll go down there.
Yeah, because the tracks are cutting through the field.
Oh, no, I was trying to get somebody with a big truck.
Yeah. Yep. For sure. That's crazy.
It is.
Well,
He got four-wheel drive too, and I got two-wheel drive, so between both of us,
right. 57 looks clear. Of course, because 57's a main road. Yep. What are you doing? Sorry for the blur, guys. I don't know why my camera does that.
He might have, he might get once his hands up, come down and pull him out. Henry, he got the tractors.
Yeah. Yeah, but you can see the tracks in the field.
Yeah, he might have done that last night.
Yeah.
Might not have been no road.
Probably not.
Oh, he run off.
'Cause I mean, he's got that. It's deep. Deeply, yeah, it's buried.
If I get on the dirt, I can pull him, but,
Yeah.
you know, now if I had my other truck, my Expedition,
Yeah.
I could pull it off in a minute.
Oh, yeah.
That four-wheel drive works there.
Welcome to Michigan winter, huh?
It's a long walk. In it from his house.
Yeah. He probably froze his ass off.
I believe that one. No.
It's crazy. So we did pick up a pretty good amount of snow overnight, and the snow is still falling, which is the last thing we need. We don't need any more snow. There is a truck coming. Here comes Dad. Well,
You got a buddy coming down with four-wheel drive with blade.
is that? Oh, that's not him. I don't see a blade. But he'll have to get around. It's all right, buddy. Go around. Go around. That was our buddy Roger Stevens, actually our old neighbor.
Yeah.
From
guy.
like 30 years ago.
He's a good guy, though.
Yeah, Roger's a really good guy. He said he was going to pull this guy out here. This is our neighbor Tim Bemis. He got lost in the snow, huh?
Well, he was coming and he hit some of this stuff and I took him over.
Oh, wow.
Right over and you can see where the tracks are.
Yeah, I know. That's what I pointed out when we came down here the first time. You can see the tracks.
Yeah. And that's a big four-wheel drive.
Yeah.
But there's a ditch right there, too. That's what happened.
Yeah, see, you can see the tracks.
Yeah, there's a ditch right there.
See? And he got lost in the tracks. Yeah, there's a big ditch right there, I think.
Yeah.
Trying to roll my window down?
Yeah, just a little bit. So how fast is he going?
Yeah. Own up, Tim.
I don't tell. I don't tell.
Yeah. Own up, Tim.
I had a couple beers and I go some good shit.
Yeah, thought he was Barney Badass like Tim. That's Tim for you. No, Tim's a good guy. I went to school with his kids, Pat and Jeremy.
Go ahead. Make it? Yeah, you can make it.
Yeah, we got a car coming.
If he makes it off that corner. Go
Yeah.
ahead. Go ahead.
Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, it's a little trying to get traction here. So we got to run into Chesaning. We'll take a look and see what Chesaning looks like in town. In town.
Yeah, we gotta go into town, so.
Got to go to the post office and the pharmacy, and then we got to pay our property taxes. So stand by. So we're at the corner of M52 and M57, which this intersection should look familiar, and it does look clear. Oh, someone's sliding out of control down there.
Oh,
Yeah. Damn. Gas is $2.65 for regular unleaded. Yeah. Look at those snow drifts. Damn. Big ass snow drifts. This is actually the first significant storm of the season that we've had. And this is today. Yeah, this is February 16th. We should have already had snow on the ground a long time ago. We should have had this at Christmas time. But yeah, we got it overnight. Big snow drifts. There's a plow. Wonder if that was Tim's buddy. Got the Western plow on it. So Chesaning is about a mile ahead, half mile. Here's Weigel's Nursery. My mom and dad used to work there. Yeah, look at all the plow trucks out today. Here comes another one. Out making money today. Looked like a van got towed.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably broke down. Yeah, you're right. So now we're coming into Chesaning. There's a village limit sign. And that's the last thing you want to do is pull out in front of people, knowing that you're not going to get traction when you get going.
Yeah, when you take off.
And then when you take off, you're going to... Yeah, I mean, Family Dollar looks like a mess.
They haven't even touched it.
No.
I wish I had a weight on you. I think that's
Oh yeah.
My whole driveway.
It kind of makes me wish I had a truck, 4-wheel drive with a plow. I'd be making some cash today.
Oh yeah. Alright. We go to all these little places or houses.
Little businesses and
Oh, little houses.
yeah, houses.
Driveway. Places like that. Buddy.
There's a plow over there at Hungry Howie's.
Yeah. They got rid of them.
Yeah, Frank's is all plowed out.
Yeah, that's better. They gotta have that kind.
Yeah. Hardly anybody there though. Well, yeah, everybody else is snowed in.
Yesterday, or day before.
There's somebody making some dough.
He owns that.
Ah,
He owns that.
big old grain silo. Go down the boulevard here. Yeah, we did. UPS truck going by. Yeah, we had a significant storm overnight. It's like the first real one we've had this season because we've been spoiled. Because northern lower Michigan has, been they've been in the path of all the last storms we've had.
Detroit got what, 10?
Yeah, Detroit got nearly a foot of snow from this.
They can't work on the sides here.
No. Yeah, look at all the drifts up there. How in the world, how are you going to get up there? To the pharmacy. We got to go to the post office and get a money order for the taxes, and we'll go pay that. Yeah, the big drifts around here. So I'm going to go into the post office, guys, and I'll be right back out. So stand by. If you can stop. Just sliding across the intersection. Okay, so we're back. Gas here is $2.49. Cheaper than Admiral. Much cheaper. Yeah, the lady that walked in at the post office over there said that her husband got his 4-wheel drive buried in the snow too.
Really?
It's like, how does that happen? You got 4-wheel, and it has a plow on it.
Oh,
And he still got it buried. And then they buried the Jeep with the plow on it.
Backed it up.
It's like, okay. Oh, there's a mail truck. Yeah. Yeah, a mail carrier. Actually, not a truck, but big snowdrifts over there.
$15 in the truck.
Yeah, it's a mail delivery car, actually, not a mail truck. But yeah, we have the receipt for our taxes, and we are going to go pay the taxes as soon as we leave town. Oh, actually, we got to go to the pharmacy as well. Give you a little view of Chesaning here. There's a water tower behind the trees. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but there is a water tower back there. I could have filmed in the post office, but decided not to. And for those of you who say, well, you can't film in a post office, well, actually you can. There's a thing inside the post office called Poster 7, which is the rules of conduct on federal property. And there is a section that does allow you to film inside of lobbies and foyers and auditoriums and things like that, as long as it's public property, which the post office, being federal property, is public property. So it is definitely permitted. Looked like a cop that just walked in. I don't see any cop cars over there, but let's see here. I don't see any cop cars on the other pumps, Maybe he's parked on the other side. I don't know. And here comes Dad. Because there's no cop cars over here either. I don't know. But, yeah. So there goes a mail lady, the mail carrier. Yeah, good luck getting down these back roads, lady, because it is definitely a mess. The main roads are not bad, but the back roads are definitely a mess. Somewhat, I guess. I mean, the truck, came down our road, so it's not really as bad. But it's still slippery nonetheless. I mean, there are still some slick spots, and as evidenced in this video, we also had our buddy's truck get buried in the snow on Rockwell's Road. And off she goes. There's a job I wouldn't want, but it's necessary. Dad's pumping gas, so we'll see how much he puts in. It might be hard for you guys to see. $13, 5.202 gallons at $2.49 a gallon. I'll put my seatbelt back on. Was that a cop that walked in?
No.
Oh, I thought that was a cop.
I don't think so.
Looked like a guy in a police costume. There we go. So let's roll. Wegner Wholesale from Auburn, Michigan. Yeah, they're quite a ways from home. They're up between Bay City and Midland. They're quite a ways from home. So now we gotta go to the pharmacy.
Yeah, pharmacy.
Chesting strong.
Have you seen Missy walking in there?
I didn't see her.
She was in that big snowmobile suit.
Oh, I didn't.
Tell it was her.
I didn't see her.
I said, hey, hey, Missy.
I didn't even know it was her. I thought that was a cop that walked in at the gas station there. Good luck trying to get in here. Holy shit. Well, actually, yeah. That's a big drift. right behind this car here. Okay. So Dad's got to go over here to the pharmacy. Central Pharmacy of Chesaning. Give you a little view of the other businesses we have here. Dobson, Chiropractic, a dispensary relief center. There's a credit union at the end. Someone's salting the sidewalk. We've got Ed Raymond and Sons over here. We've got Ace Hardware over there. Noreen's, which used to be a Hallmark Gold Crown store. We've got Family Pharmacy, which is the same. It's the same business. They're out of business. And then we've got Family Insurance Services. We've got a barbershop. And Waddell and Reed, I think is how you pronounce that, over there. So there's a few businesses. There goes another plow truck. And then we've got Dollar General up there. And then, of course, we've got McFarland's Pub up there, and we got a store right there at the corner. Right there used to be a store called Little Giant back in the 90s, which I remember quite well. So this is just a little view of the downtown area, some of the businesses. We've got Designs by Bean and Greenfelder's law firm over there, right in that area right there. Same parking lot as Ace Hardware. So yeah, the sun's shining, so that's a good sign. Maybe some of the snow will start to melt. Got Amy's stuff.
Yeah.
So now we're off to pay our property taxes, huh? Is there anywhere else we have to stop other than paying the taxes?
No, we're going to talk to you now. We've got to by the time.
Yeah.
Pay them, so. Oh, yeah.
You gotta put your seatbelt on. Or else that dinging will just go and go and go and go.
Dude, this guy parked way out. I don't know why they didn't.
Pentown Lane's down
Why
there.
they haven't got
Coin Laundry, H&R Block.
in the bike road.
McFarland's Dump, Century 21, Showboat Restaurant, the malt shop, someone out shoveling the sidewalk.
Why?
Why? Because I think they're supposed to.
Yeah, you are, but.
It's a public sidewalk, you gotta keep them cleared. Dad wants to go see my cousin Matt, see what he's up to.
See if they got the yard all cleared out. Hey, I wouldn't make them come down and they maybe do it, but they probably having a hard time getting out of their own driveway.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know.
Plow, I don't think.
So we're on Line Street going north. This is Brady. Cross Street here is Brady Street. Someone else is out plowing today. Oh yeah.
For help with my friends. You know.
Yep, there's money.
With their drives.
Because he doesn't live there, I don't think. That guy with the plow on his truck.
No,
The blade.
No, neighbors.
Yeah.
And then again, it might be.
Who knows? I don't know. That might be his property.
Yeah, he owns in front of that.
Yeah. Oh, there you go. Yeah. It's looking like a winter wonderland around here. Uncle Tim's here? Yeah. Yeah, their yard is looking like absolute shit. There's like 2 tracks. Well, they did the smart thing and put their windshield wipers up too.
Straight ahead.
Oh yeah, you can't even get a head down there. You can't get through there. Holy shit. Oh yeah, it's just a thick blanket of snow. But anyway, guys, I'm going to go in and visit with my uncle for a minute, my cousins, and keep the video going. A bird. Look at the bird.
Oh, dirty Boyd.
Right on his tire.
Now look at that. They went down that street.
What street? Yeah. So, okay, guys, I'm going to cut it right here. Stand by. Well, that was a nice visit with Uncle Tim. Time to get in the truck. Oh, well, the door's locked. The door's locked, man.
Yeah, I had it locked.
Well, at least the sun's shining.
Yeah.
Doesn't really mount to shit, though, does it? So it's still cold. Put your seatbelt on, Dad, before you move. Uh-oh.
And what if you're stuck in there fucking...
Yeah, why are we getting buried, huh? Yep, sure enough. We are stuck.
No.
We're not? Well, why aren't we moving?
Well, I want to hit the porch.
Yeah, we're stuck, Dad, okay?
Come pull me out.
Yeah, why though, okay?
That sucks. They ain't got 4-wheel drive.
Yeah, you're telling me.
I'll go over and hit his fucking porch is what I'll do. I don't want to do that.
Why'd you pull up here?
Because that's all I can make.
Yeah, you should think on your
I was
own.
going to get fucking snowing.
Shouldn't think on your own, Dad.
I don't want to get too close to his fucking porch.
Well, this porch is way over there. This porch is, we're quite a ways from the porch.
Not if I keep spinning. Over.
Boy, gotta love Michigan winter. You get stuck in the snow. Oh, maybe. We're making a little bit of progress. It feels like it.
That was how close I am to his porch.
We can do it. We can do it. We're almost there. We're almost there. We're doing it. We're doing it. We're doing it. We're doing it. Oh, shit. There's another drift right there. I can see it. There's another drift.
I'll get out. Don't worry.
And the only reason that's stinging, folks, is because he's not wearing a seatbelt. I can see the drift right there.
Almost.
It's right there. That's what we're driving over.
Watch this shit.
Oh boy, this is interesting.
I'll get out.
Because Dad and I, we don't spend nearly enough time together.
Well, you know what?
That car down there turned his headlights on. Okay. This is interesting. There we go. We're making it, maybe. Oh, I thought so.
I'm making a fucking trail.
I thought we were making it.
Well, I'll make it now.
Motherfucker. Well, this car, he's going to proceed, but see, the thing of that is, yeah. I think we got it. We got it. We got it. That's a big drift. There we go. Good mother of God. Woo-wee. Whoa. Slip sliding away. And we're off.
I told you I'd get out.
Yeah, after about 20
I
tries.
got that positive rear end under the fucking just wants to spin. If I had my four-wheel drive hooked up, it would have made it.
Turning off onto Lansing Street, or oh, what do we got here? Oh, okay, a car with a Dodge Durango with blinking lights on top.
No paper.
Got a lady shoveling snow.
She was like, "Fuck, you got stuck." No, I didn't.
Nah, I thought we were stuck for a minute.
For a second, I just kept going back and forth.
Valentine Mini Storage, Saginaw County Road Commission, Chesaning District. Established 1964.
Yeah.
Turning onto First Street. Oh, there's a drift.
I had my shovel on the back. I didn't feel like showing. Fuck that.
Fuck it, we'll just go back and forth a half dozen times. Or should I say over a dozen times. Yep, we're all digging out.
Yep, I got my
Literally and figuratively, we're all digging out.
field. Yep.
Chesaning Township Hall.
That Greggy's old car.
I don't know. Might be.
that snow off the top, or do you have a ticket?
Middle school. Down there's the high school.
Yep.
Here we got Little Caesar's Pizza. We got the chiropractor's office right here where this white building is. I already pointed out the school. It's where Burger King used to be. Turn your blinker off, Dad. I miss Burger King.
Yep.
Going by Family Dollar again. Parking lot still looks like shit.
It does, don't it?
Fuck yeah.
I wish I had a blade. I'd go in there and do it. They paid me for it.
I remember when that was Beaky's Furniture,
Yeah.
the Radio Shack. Going out of Chestnut. So now we're off to pay taxes.
Gas station.
Oh, you're going to the gas station?
Yeah.
Well, we got to pay taxes before we go home.
Like I said, gotta go gas station, pay taxes.
Well, okay then.
If they pay down our driveway, we'll come back.
Let's hope. Let's hope so.
Yeah.
Weigel's Nursery.
We got 39 minutes to go.
It was a nice visit with Uncle Tim.
Oh, yeah.
Talked about the good old days and
Well, that,
talked about Aunt Rhonda. Yeah. He says, I think about her every day. There's not a day go by I don't think about her. I know, Uncle Tim. I think about her every day, too. I miss her. A lot of people I miss. Just gone too soon. Got Garber Chevrolet. Used to be LeClaire's. State Bank. It used to be Community State. Never get a car from these people. Showcase Auto Sales. Never buy a car from them. You will definitely be dissatisfied if you plan on getting a vehicle through Showcase. Gas is $2.65 still. I'm not going in. I'm just going to hang out here. Now there's a snowdrift. It's a lot of whipped cream. Kind of looks like whipped cream. This is the Admiral gas station. I think Dad's going in to get smokes. Yeah, face mask required. I'll be glad when this is done and over with, this COVID stuff, honestly. Ice running down Dad's back window. Sun's melting it. But after we leave here, we are going to go pay our property taxes to Patricia Goodrich. So, stand by. We're heading out from Admiral. Now to pay our property taxes. Another truck with a blade on it.
A lot of those today.
Oh yeah, they're out making their money.
Right there.
For sure.
Oh, making some bucks.
This is M52.
See Jeremy up there.
That's the back 40. Right there. The bar.
Jeremy's probably out making money today.
Oh yeah, for sure.
I would be if I had four-wheel drive put on this and a blade.
Yeah, I'd be out making some money today.
Oh yeah.
For sure. You US 127, 20 miles, and Greenville is 55 miles.
Yeah.
So our tax lady lives up this way. Her name is Patricia Goodrich, Brady Township Treasurer. Yep, I wouldn't buy a micro machine from Showcase Auto Sales. Nope. They sell junk vehicles.
Yep. No, I bought two of them blue ones.
Yep. I wouldn't buy anything from them if they were the last used car dealership on the planet.
Fuck no, it made me a little car.
I'll walk before I buy anything from them.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they got their driveway done. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, for sure. So this is where we go to pay our property taxes.
Yep.
14570 Brady Road. And I'm gonna go up there and take care of that. So I'll be right out, guys. You going in too?
Yeah.
Okay. So hang tight, guys. So there we have it. Read 'em and weep.
Yeah.
Paid.
Paid in full.
Brady Township Treasurer. Woohoo! So now I gotta put my seat. Oh, didn't mean to get my hand in the frame there, but now I gotta put my seatbelt on. They only allowing one person in at a time because of the COVID, so that's understood. You know, don't want to take a chance. Oh, not this again. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you.
What?
There's $2 left in here.
Oh.
$1 for each of us.
All right.
All right. Yeah.
All right. Towards the beer. I need another
I got
$1.50.
$1.
I need another $1.50 to get the beer.
Yeah.
Wait, might have put that in
Woohoo.
there.
I'm not broke.
Nope.
I have enough to buy my stamp at the post office. Yeah, I don't need to buy any stamps. Yeah, gotta get your seatbelt on, Pop. You seem to forget that. I don't know why.
No, I don't. I just had a time getting in there. Oh, you got a truck out?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, my window was down now.
Back on Rockwell's Road again. Yep, the truck is gone. You got it out. Good deal.
You're up there, Trey. That pretty sums up.
Huh.
Is that pretty?
Yeah.
Yep, there it goes. Flying away.
Yep. Get my window up now. It's not necessarily 70 degrees outside.
The sheriff, he'd have went in there.
Yeah, he would have been fucked. For sure. No
truck come down this road, but still drifting. Yeah, he went in right here. He got out. Yeah, he was buried in there.
Oh, the birds.
Look at the little snowbird. Like pigeons.
I don't know why this camera, it's weird on this phone. It blurs. I don't know why.
Oh.
My GoPro wouldn't have done that.
Oh, no.
For sure. I like my GoPro. It's a good camera. For $200, it better be.
Yeah, there's this truck.
Yeah, there's this truck in his driveway.
Got big tires on that.
Until we see it in the ditch again.
Maybe down this way.
Sorry, Tim. I want to give you a little more credit than that, buddy. But we know ya.
Yeah, we know you too well.
Yeah. That's all right.
Well, maybe they'll just go to the right shot and he didn't really see him. Or he's
That's
driving
possible.
like you said, and he jerked him over that way, because I've done it to me a lot of times.
Because that snow that we had, it was a heavy, fluffy snow.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I mean, anything is possible.
So come down through here again.
For sure. For sure. For sure.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, definitely, yeah. Oh yeah. Slip sliding away. Here we go. We're gonna go for the ditch too, aren't we?
Nah.
Neither one of us have been drinking today.
No. Yeah.
Not yet, Dad says.
Okay. The mailman got up to a mailbox right down there.
We'll see. So we're back home. As you can see, my van is still covered. Well, the windshield is anyway. And this is where Dad decided to leave the truck. But yeah, there's a lot of, I mean, like I'm walking through the snow. I need a good pair of boots. Dad had to literally cut a path in our driveway because our driveway is not plowed. But there's a good chance that we may not have gotten mail today because our mailbox has not been plowed. Well, the front of it anyway. So there's no way for them to be able to get to the mailbox. Actually, there's something in there. I'll be damned. And it's for me. Lovely. So, for me. And we still have our nice long icicle. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. Stay warm, stay safe.